Hello, are you a Filipino and you want to invest in US stocks? In this video, I will show you where I personally buy US stocks. So the app I'm using right now is GoTrade, and it's very easy to create an account in GoTrade. You just need one valid ID that shows your name, nationality, and address. This could be your driver's license, for example, or your passport. So this is the home page of GoTrade, and it will show you the value of the stocks that you own. Now let's go to the account settings. Here, before I show you how I buy, I will show you the fees. Trading fees are at 0.25% or at a minimum of 10 cents, whichever is higher. Before, there were no fees when you are trading with GoTrade, but as of now, October 2023, there are now fees. So let's move to my portfolio. Here, you can see the performance of your portfolio in 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and all time. And below, you can see your cash, pending buys, your total equity, and your total returns in percentage and the amount. Now, how to deposit to GoTrade? First, you can use Union Bank, BPI, GCash, and international wire transfer. Now, personally, I use deposit instantly to GoTrade. Now, there are 3 ways you can do this by using Union Bank, BPI, and GCash. Now, personally, I would advise you to avoid GCash since 3% fee is too much. I use Union Bank, and this is how I deposit. You can see that the conversion rate is $1 is equals to 57.62 as of now. So when you type in 10,000 pesos, you will get 173 US dollars. So when you swipe up, it will let you log into your account, and then the funds will instantly be credited to your GoTrade account. Now when buying, it's very easy because they designed this for beginners to understand. So you can choose a lot of different stocks here. For example, you choose tech giants. There is a list of the companies that you can buy there. It's very easy to navigate the stocks. You can choose a lot of different stocks to buy from. And the best part is the minimum is only $1. Now, let's say you want to buy Apple stock, you just search Apple. Here you can see the performance of Apple in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and 5 years. You can also choose the candlestick charts if you want, but I personally prefer this one. Now, if you want to buy Apple stock, select buy, and you can also choose to buy in shares. You can also buy at the limit price, which is new. Personally, I use buy in dollars since I peso cost average every month. Now, let's say you want to buy $10 of Apple stock. If you buy, you get $9.90 since the trading fee is 10 cents, and you will get 0.05 shares of Apple. Now your order is received and it will be executed as soon as the market opens. So the market opens Monday to Friday 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time, and that is 9:30 p.m. Philippine time, and it closes at 4 a.m. Philippine time. So whenever you buy stocks during these hours, it will be automatically in your portfolio. But when the stock market is closed, it will show in your pending orders, and you can still cancel if you change your mind. That is all that I have to say. And if you ask when is the best time to invest, the best time was 10 years ago, and the second best time is today. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. This is not financial advice, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching until the end.